Hello mate, do you know when I came to Australia? I arrived in Sydney on December 18 last year. I have been here for more than 7 months, but my English is still not very good. I'm unsure, so I'm afraid to talk to people. I don't have any local friends. I'm planning to work in Shepparton for 3 months to get my second year visa. Maybe I will start looking for a new job. I really like doing food delivery because it's flexible, but it's always not busy. I don't know what to do next. Bye bye.